Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter marshmallow squares. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 2 cups of miniature marshmallows. Don't forget 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, which forms the delightful base of our treat. Now, let's get cooking. In a large saucepan, melt your 1/2 cup of butter and 1 cup of creamy peanut butter over low heat. Stir constantly until the mixture is smooth and well combined. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, gooey consistency. Once melted, remove the pan from the heat. Next, quickly add your 2 cups of miniature marshmallows to the warm peanut butter mixture, stirring until they are mostly melted. Then, gently fold in the 6 cups of crispy rice cereal until every piece is thoroughly coated. Press this delicious mixture firmly and evenly into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Almost done, let your peanut butter marshmallow squares cool completely at room temperature for about 1 hour. If you're eager to enjoy them sooner, you can chill them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Once firm, cut them into 24 perfect squares. These delightful treats are ready to be served and enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.